Good morning everyone. This is your model science teacher, Ms. Anshita. Last week we have started our revision. So last week we revised our 6th chapter and today we are going to revise our 7th chapter. So let's start. Beta, our 7th chapter is to become great. Great means, I told you when we were reading this chapter, great means a man who is inspiring others. Okay, who is inspiring others. He is very great. Okay, so in this chapter we studied about Dr. Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a good leader. He is a missile man of India. He comes from a very poor family in Tamil Nadu. He born in very poor family, but by his hard work he became a successful man and inspiration to all of the world. Okay, and also Ninu liked his hard working nature. Dear children, we can succeed in our life even though we don't have anything, but if we work hard, we will be successful in our life. Okay. Also, Miss Meena, who is Anu's teacher, tells everyone that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man who achieved success and greatness through hard work. Dr. Kalam achieved this success from hard work only. He was not having any support. He was not financially stable, but still he became an inspiration to others. Hard work and trust in God made him great. Only hard work and trust in God made him this successful. Okay, he achieved this success only by trusting God and hard work. So Miss Meena also tells everyone to work hard in studies. So the moral of this story is, by hard work we can achieve anything in our life. So it's good to be work hard. Hard working nature is very helpful for us. Okay, so this was our chapter. Now we are going to revise its exercise. First of all, we have given an activity which is activity 2. Activity 2 is, we have to tick right against the action indicating hard work. So beta, this is your copy work. You will do this in your copy. Okay. So first is tick right against the actions indicating hard work. First question is, Rayan does office work for 9 hours. Yes beta, Rayan does office work for 9 hours. 9 hours is a long time. It's not easy to work continuously 9 hours. So this is a hard work activity. So take this right. Then second is, Ritu sleeps 9 hours a day. Ritu sleeps 9 hours a day. Sleeping is not an activity of hard work. Okay, so we will cross this. Then third is Raju and Ravi play cricket every day. Raju and Ravi play cricket every day. Every day. So Raju and Ravi play cricket every day. Is this a hard work? Is this a hard work? No. Playing is not a hard work. If they are playing for any competition, अगर वो किसी competition के लिए खेल रहे हैं, then only they are working hard for winning in the competition. But now they are playing just for enjoyment. So we will put that cross. हम इसको cross करेंगे. Fourth one is Kritika does not sleep without completing her homework. Kritika does not sleep without completing her homework. Yes, Kritika does not sleep without completing her homework. Beta, no matter how late is it, but if Kritika's homework is not completed, she will not sleep. This is a hard work activity, so we will put it right. Okay? One more question is there. Beta, there is no space, that's why I am writing fifth question here. Okay? Fifth question. Sanya helps her mother to sweep the floor, wash plates, spread bed, and clean the dining table. Table. So, beta, this is Sanya. Sanya is helping her mother in sweeping the floor, washing plates, spreading bed, and cleaning the dining table. Is helping her mother in her works. So, no matter Sanya has completed his work or her work or not. Okay, but she is helping her mother. Then only she will do her own work. So this is an activity of hard work. This is why we will put it right. Okay. Then activity 3 we have given. Activity 3 is we have given 4 pictures here. 4 pictures here. You can see? Yes, beta. Every one of you can see. This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. This is Saint Chavra. Saint Chavra. And this is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay? Now, let's come to the questions and answers. We have 2 questions and answers. Questions and answers now. Second is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First is, what made Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam a great person? What made Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam a great person? So what Miss Meena told all the children, Miss Meena ने सब लोगों को क्या बताया था? What made Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam a great person? Hard work and trust in God. So the answer will be hard work and trust in God made him a great person. Second is, we must work hard to. Beta, for what we should work hard? For what? The answer is, we must work hard to learn good habits values in life and get good marks in the exams. And to get good marks in the exams. So these were our questions and answers. Dear children, this is our chapter 7 and you will do this in your copy. Okay, and in homework, what will you do? The homework is yes, and the homework is you have to write 5 great people's name in your copy. Okay, the homework is the names of 5 great people copy. Okay dear children, so this is your homework. I hope you all have understood this chapter. This was our revision of chapter 7. So we will meet again next week with our new chapter, which is chapter number 8. Till then, you please take care of yourselves and study well. Thank you.